Hi friends, welcome to Digital India Portal का YouTube channel. CSA technical videos, new services launch, software updates, everything you get through CSA Digital Seva Portal updates in Digital India Portal का YouTube channel. So those who are not subscribed for Digital India Portal, click this red color subscribe button to receive instant updates while any new videos posted in Digital India Portal related to CSA Common Service Center services. And here you can get all details, updates regarding CSE Common Service Center VLA services. You can get help from Digital India Portal YouTube channel. Now, NEET application, the most expected NEET medical examination notification has released. And now, the application for NEET National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test 2018 is live on CSE Digital Seva Portal. So, the application form filling service for NEET exam is now live on CSE Digital Seva Portal. VLAs can now apply for NEET exam on behalf of plus 2 students through the CSE Digital Seva Portal, and I will show the detailed application process, how to apply through CSE Digital Seva Portal and the commission for VLAs. So how much amount can be charged for each services, for scanning, for uploading documents, for application, for printout, everything. The detailed commission rate has been released by CSE Governance India for NEET applications filling through Digital Seva Portal. So Central Board of Secondary Education, the examination authority, has designated common service centers. There are more than 1.5, 2.5 lakh common service centers across India. Is designated to apply common service centers for NEET applications to support candidates for registering National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test 2018 application form. So candidates can now fill NEET application form 2018 through common service centers located across the country in different states. So the date of NEET 2018 is going to be conducted on 6th May 2018 Sunday. So the scheduled details are here. Schedule for online application form begins from 8th Feb 2018 and the last date is 9th March 2018. Now, how to fill form through CSE Digital Seva Portal and the commission rates, slab rates are described. So just log into your Digital Seva Portal and simply click search button. Otherwise, go to education services. So education services option is available. Simply go to education services and click education option button. Here you can get, scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see online registration for NEET CBSE option is available. Simply click that option. The CBSE official website will open with the common service centers login. So you need to log in with your CSE Digital Seva Connect. Just simply enter your CSE Digital Seva ID and password to log in or sign in. After signing in, the welcome page will open. In this page, so this is the official page for applications through NEET through common service centers. Here your 12-digit CSE ID will appear here in this. That means you are logging through your CSE Digital Seva Portal. So here the commission rates are available here under this section. Help section option is available here. You can simply click common service centers option. Third option is available here. Just simply click common service centers. So this is the page for common service centers. Commission rates are available here. So there are more than 1.5 lakh common service centers across the country which will provide the desired support to candidates for online submission of application form and fee payment for NEET application through e-wallets. So the list of common service centers is available. Common service center will provide the following services and you can really can charge the following amounts as per the CSE's official information which is available in cbse.neet.nic.in website. So for preparing email ID creation or submission of application form printout till payment fee payment option, you can charge up to ₹25 for online application or email creation, everything. So scanned images, in case you upload any photographs or signatures, means you can charge ₹10 per scanned image uploading. So online fee payment, NEET exam application fee payment, if you pay through your Digital Seva Portal wallet, means you can get a 0.5% of transaction amount as a commission for VLAs. So for downloading of admit card or hall ticket options or OMR key answer key download, you can charge up to ₹10. Online claim of response or key, If you have any queries on online answer keys download, you can charge up to rupees 25 rupees. So for printout, for taking printout of whether it is application form or hall ticket or answer key, you can charge up to rupees 5 rupees per printout page. So this is the list of service charges for application filling through Digital Seva portal for NEET, National Entrance Cum Eligibility Test 2018. So VLAs follow these rules as provided by Central Board of Secondary Education, memorandum of understanding with common service centers for filling NEET application forms through CSE Digital Seva portal. So this is the complete list of service charge for application through NEET through common service center. So common service center complete service charge list is available in cbseneet.nic.in websites. Now how to apply for this NEET? So the online application link is available. So online services, apply online, just simply click apply online option. So this is the instructions and the procedures for online application form for NEET 2018. So before filling this form, whether it is a student or common service center authorities, please read this form carefully before applying for NEET exam. So candidates can apply for NEET 2018 only online, no offline applications will be available. So the details will be available here. Here examination fees details. So the date of examination is 6th May 2018 Sunday. So the fee structure is available here. So the schedule, the starting date is 8th Feb and the final date for NEET application is 9th March 2018. So fee payment date is also the same. The last date for fee payment for NEET exam is 10th February 2018 Sunday up to 23.50 hours. So online correction of data, you can correct the application forms between 12th March 2018 to 16th March 2018. So the admit cards will be available from second week of April 2018 and the final exam date is 6th May 2018 Sunday. So the answer keys will be available later after the exam. So declaration of result date is also provided. So 5th June 2018 Tuesday, the NEET 2018 exam results will be available. So the fee structure is available here for unreserved general OBC candidates. The application fee for NEET 2018 is 1400 rupees Indian rupees. For SC, ST, PH students, the application form fee for NEET 2018 is 750 rupees. So the documents required is the scanned image of the photograph in JPEG format, and the size of the photograph should be 10 KB to 100 KB, and the scanned image of signature of the candidate is also in JPEG format and the size is 3 KB to 20 KB. So the fee payment can be paid through either whether it is a debit card, net banking, or through, if you apply through common service centers, means through Digital Seva portal e-wallet. So documents after applying, please make sure to keep these documents as a proof for later references. So proof of remittance of a fee payment bill, computer generated confirmation page of online application forms, and a copy of the self declaration form. So there are 4 steps for application. In this application, you must give your mobile number, whether it is a candidate's student's mobile number or parent's mobile number. Mobile number is mandatory for filling online application form for NEET 2018 exam. Candidate students is you can submit only one application on behalf of each student. Multiple applications, if submitted, means their application can be rejected without any further notices. So simply click proceed to apply online for NEET examination. So this is the application form for NEET. So here you need to enter the candidate's name, mother's name, father's name, and fill these details, identification number, everything, and preview and next. So complete application form filling process is available in next video. So kindly share this to reach us most possible. Thanks for watching. Thank you.